Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 14th of December, 2018. We're looking at a high temperature of 41 degrees, low tonight of 30. There's a 90% chance of rain this morning. As you came in, you noticed it was raining outside. Class this week, our PBIS expectation for the week, we talked about the hallway. We talked about being safe in the hallway, which means that we're keeping our hands and feet to ourselves and staying to the right of the hallway and walking down each stair and using the handrails. Of course, not jumping down the stairs. Fifth graders. Responsibility, single file line, go directly to your location, voice level of a 0. And then we're going to stay to the right. We're going to respect the artwork and posters hanging on the walls and lockers. That includes all of our PBIS expectation posters as well. Some staff announcements. The book fair is open until noon today, so get down there. Teachers, if you're going to take a class down, please just make sure you let Miss L know so that she's aware of it. Mr. Sawden's PE groups will not meet today, and then Miss Root is in for Miss Geeky, so if you have Miss Geeky, you will still get to have your groups. Spirit Week next week, we're looking at Monday is Ugly Sweater Day, Tuesday is Flannel or Plaid, Wednesday is Holiday Headwear, and then Thursday is Red and Green, and Friday is Pajama Day. Make sure that we're being safe, respectful, and responsible on each one of those days, especially with our choices. Today is Popcorn Friday, so there I am popping out some popcorn, so get yourself some popcorn today. Bags are 50 cents, 2-bag max. Lunch today, we're looking at boneless chicken wings with barbecue sauce or sweet and sour sauce. Baked beans, goldfish crackers, crunchy baby carrots. See, look, my Secret Santa got me a nice little crunchy baby carrot shirt. Thank you to whoever my Secret Santa is. And then Monday, we're looking at some penne pasta with Alfredo sauce, green beans, sliced peaches, more crunchy baby carrots. And then looking at some announcements, just a reminder, Miss Hall's class, you guys get pizza today. We're going to have that delivered right about lunchtime for you guys. In December, we're looking at the same two classes. We got to step up other classes. Miss Hall's class is at 97 and 45 hundredths, and Miss Leslie's class is at 97 and 25 hundredths. That's a difference of about 1 day. So we got to make sure that we're at school next week's a tough week in terms of attendance. So please make sure that you're coming in. We'll have that pizza party almost as soon as you get back. So be ready for it. All right. We only had one student yesterday. It was a fifth grader. To get this right, his name is Dallas, up in the fifth grade. So I'm going to give fourth and third grade another chance. As president, Woodrow Wilson attempted to start a multinational organization following World War I. What is the name of this organization? It is the predecessor. It came before what is known as, now we got Will Sub coming in. It is the predecessor. It came before the United Nations, but the idea and the concept is just about the same. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. More email. I apologize. Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!